Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
I will show how to prepare a full Windows 10 backup using built-in tools. Start by clearing unnecessary files and confirming you have at least 50 GB free. Use an external drive with at least 250 GB capacity or a network share. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Backup to Access options. We will create a system image and set up file history for ongoing file backups. Follow each step slowly and verify the destination before starting any backup operation. First, open Control Panel and click Backup and Restore to Access System Image tools. Select Create a System Image and choose your external drive or network location as destination. Include the system drive plus any data drives you need, then start the imaging process. Windows will compress files. Imaging can take 1 to several hours depending on data size. After completion, create a recovery drive using a USB of at least 8 GB capacity. Label drives and store them safely, off-site if possible, to protect against physical damage. To protect personal files, turn on File History and point it to the external drive folder. Set File History to save copies every 3 hours or choose a custom interval for faster backups. Exclude folders you do not need and keep backup versions for at least 30 days. Test your backups monthly by restoring a small file to verify integrity and access. Keep a copy of your system image offsite and update it after major system changes. Document your backup schedule and encryption passwords, and store that documentation securely offline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.